Hello, Doc Bryce here. Dito sa likod ko, traveling France na kami, papuntang Paris. To those who are traveling, lalo na pagka nadidehydrate tayo, hindi natin alam, no? You need to do water as hydration. But first, if you are overhydrating with plain water, madidehydrate din tayo. Okay? So, ang nangyayari is nilalabas ang electrolytes natin. So, we tend to pee more. So, ano bang component ng electrolytes? This is sodium. Ito yung salt na hinahalo nyo, Himalayan salt. We have cream of tartar. Ito yung potassium natin. Epsom salt, that would be the magnesium component. And the baking soda, tinatanong ninyo, anong purpose nan? Is to make your body alkalinize. Kasi acidic na ang body natin if we are dehydrated. So, na-alkalinize yan. Okay? Complete these ingredients and you have your electrolytes. Tandaan, overhydrating with plain water or kulang ang water will make you dehydrated. Over ang salt or kulang ang salt will also cause dehydration. So, tandaan niyo, we need electrolytes and we need to improve our salt. Yan yung electrolytes. Pagka nag-low carb po tayo, our kidney will let the electrolytes go out of our system, of our body through urination. So kaya nga, pagka nag-start kayo, may nararamdaman kayong hilo, headache, mga palpitation, or any discomfort, sure na sure yan. You are dehydrated. So sip your electrolytes, sip-sip lang, wag yung todo, baka iihi naman kayo ng iihi. Kaya lalong-lalo na sa mga endurance athlete, importante ang electrolytes because we tend to sweat a lot. So you need to replenish ang electrolytes natin. So during workout, take your salt stick, sip your electrolytes. Sa akin, every 30 minutes or every 5 kilometer sa run, I do sip electrolytes and taking salt stick. So anong ingredients pa rin yan? Same as the usual, yung sodium, that's the Himalayan salt, yung potassium natin, yung cream of tartar. So same po lang yan. Ang mahalaga dito, wala tong sugar. Kaya nga, it won't break your fast if you take your electrolytes. O tandaan, yung mga concentrated fluids then can also cause dehydration like coffee. So kung marami kayong cup of coffee na naiinom, should be 1 to 2 cups of coffee a day lang. Okay? So lahat ng mga concentrated fluids, tea, cocoa, tanggalin nyo muna. Lalo na kung nagsisimula pa lang kayo sa paglo-low carb. Eventually, ang tatanungin nyo sa akin, Doc, forever bang iinumin ang electrolytes? Sa umpisa, you need to spread it throughout the day. Pero once na nag-adapt ang katawan ninyo, electrolytes will be consumed during workout. Kasi tuturuan na namin kayong mag-workout. Pinaka-easiest, cheapest workout is walking. Walk lang. Magsimula muna kayo dyan, then eventually magle-level up. You need to adapt and evolve. Be the best version of yourself. Bye!